Hello, Charlotte. Happy birthday sa'yo. Ito yung card mo. Ito ang card mo. Tatago namin to para sa Applebee's. Para sa'yo ang card na to. Dahil birthday mo, so lahat ng mga taga-Applebee's i-greet ka. Try natin. Try natin kung makigreet yung ibang mga Americans, iba-ibang lahi, ibang mga kaibigan namin. So, para sa ito, it's for you and happy birthday, Charlotte. Regandola! Hi sa lahat. Peace. Miss you.
Mabuhay Philippines!
Mabuhay Pilipinas! And what I want you to do, I want you like, it's alright to see that, but because you're going to own it, you'll be the one to like sign it in front of the face of the card. Yeah, just like that.
Oh, okay. Just sign it?
Yeah. A big one across, so. So it's
It's
yeah.
Dennis.
Dennis, alright. Dennis, this is your card, the 3 blue. Right? For the 3 blue right here, I can never imitate your signature, and I can never imitate your card or a signature, anything. No imitation right here.
Okay.
But the only thing for this one, your 3, it's like kind of like blue. So, and the deck, there's only 3 blue, and then this is the only card that you have because you sign it. You own this card, actually.
Right.
What I'm going to do, I'm just going to try to like fold it like that. Go like barely fold it. Because I want you to trust me right here. I bought this new card.
Okay.
So, earlier. Here. I want you to trust me right here. I want you to bite on it just right here.
Just bite it in the corner, huh?
Yeah, the corner like that. Here.
Alright.
Just like that. Just like so. So right now, he got this 3 and then it's folded, right?
Right.
Okay. So I got another card with this one right. I'm going to use this one here. Can you help me, ma'am, with this one? Open it. I got a niece, right? It's her birthday for today. So I'm going to like let's put her to this one. Her name is Charlotte.
Okay.
Okay. It's Regandola. There you go. It's on the 8 green. Okay? Charlotte Regandola right here. Because what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to fold it the same thing, the same way. Just like that. Here. Alright, I'm fine right here. Let's bite on it. This on the side.
Yeah.
Yours and mine.
Can I do it again?
Yeah. And then do it like this.
Alright. Just like this?
Yeah, wait. Alright.
Hey!
I want you to open that.
Alright.
That's cool.
Can you say happy birthday to Charlotte Regandola?
Happy birthday, Charlotte.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, that's it.
Excellent.
It's a French kiss.
That's-
we call that one.
Very good.
Thank you.
Very
Thank
well
you.
done. You got it.
Want to do like this? Yeah, I'll teach you a handshake. They're like this. This is the bomb, and this is the explode.
Oh, you got it.
Bomb and explode.
Bam!
Thank you very much.
Thank
Do you
you.
want some sweets or something else?
I think we ordered some.
Yeah, so let me get that right now. Okay, I'm going to prepare it.
Ano yun nakasulat? Happy birthday, Charlotte Regandola. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
May feelings naman dapat.
Happy birthday!
So ano, si JM naman. JM, batiin mo naman si Charlotte.
Sino ba to?
Si Charlotte.
Hi Charlotte, happy birthday!
Ayan, thank you. Pastor, batiin mo naman.
More boyfriend to come.
Post mo yan, post mo.
More boyfriend, bata pa niyan. Ayan, okay, game.
Happy birthday, Charlotte!
Applebee's. Applebee's, woohoo! Ayan, okay, top yan. Para sa yan. Yun.
Happy birthday, Charlotte.
May feelings naman, sir.
Ano to? Ano ba to?
Kaya sa kanya, para sa kanya birthday niya. Ayan, Sir Richie, manager namin. Ginigreet ka pa, ha? Swerte mo.
Good afternoon.
Hihi!
Happy birthday, Charlotte.
Yan. 2, 3, ayan na.
Happy birthday, Charlotte.
Lagyan mo naman ng feelings. Regandola.
Who's Regandola?
Regandola, mga ano yan. Mayayaman yan.
Wow. Happy birthday.
Para sa'yo. Pakita mo yung card. Yung mga ko yung card. Yan. Next, Ber. Patiin mo naman. Ito. Ay, Babuchan mo na. Babuchan, read this. Say happy birthday to Charlotte.
Happy birthday.
Show. Show this one. Opposite. Yeah, like that. Happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Come on.
Happy birthday.
In your language, what's happy birthday?
Same. Give me latte.
Happy birthday? In India, no. Ratish is Finnish.
Ganun din.
Ganun din. Ber. Sige na. Napakano naman ito. Baka mahihain mo. Dali na. Oh, wala na. Sige na. Teka lang, Sige na. Okay. Pakita mo na yan. Happy birthday, bati mo.
Maligayang bati.
Yun, okay na yun. Happy birthday! Teka lang, mabilis naman nun. Kaya na. Dan. Uy, Jel, harap ka naman dito.
Birthday.
Ang bilis naman nun. Isa pa. Dalawa dapat para mabilis eh.
Happy
Charlotte na. Yeah. Happy birthday for whom? Can you read it?
Happy birthday, Charlotte Redondo na.
That's a good greetings. Thank you. Hi, Charlotte. This is for you. Happy birthday. Ito ang card mo. Dahil mabait ka.
Ito para sa iyo.
Ito, para sa iyo. Happy birthday card. Birthday card. Ito lang ang nakayanan namin.
Hello.
Peace.
Happy birthday.
Ayan na, daming mabate.